We all have this inherent fear of being in the water.
I think we should put in a pool cover.
Even though in your mind you understand that the pool is only a few feet deep.
Marco?
When the lights go out, anything could be beneath you.
This is a story about a family who, seeking a better life, moves in this house with a backyard pool. Wanting fun and time together.
Maybe we should have the cookout or something.
That's a great idea.
And what they get is a terrifying secret that is hidden beneath the surface of that water.
Why don't you run for me? What are you wondering? What do you know?
It's important for me to find the next generation of filmmakers who have what it takes but may not have the platform to be seen.
I was substitute teaching elementary school, and I was writing. Night Swim is about how I felt when I was a kid in a pool by myself, convinced that there was something beneath me.
You saw something, didn't you?
James Wan and Jason Blum made some of the most iconic horror films of the last decade and a half. You team up, and it's a roller coaster ride.
With Bryce, we were completely won over by his passion and vision for the movie.
I want people to be holding their breath in the theater. It's like edge of your seat, biting your nails. There's something beneath the water.